Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about Azure APIM products and subscription. In the last session, we have discussed about Azure APIM, what is the procedure to create Azure APIM, and we have also hosted our first API on APIM management. If you have missed to watch that video, I have added the link in description below. So let's start. Connect to the Azure portal. Let's click on products. So here if you can see available products, we have starter and unlimited. So we can also verify this one in developer portal. So if we'll click on the products, you can see we have only starter and unlimited. Okay, so let's go and add one product. So we'll add product here, basic, and we will give the description basic product. We'll give the description basic product. Okay, so as of now we will not click on publish, and also we will remove this required subscription. And which API we have to give the access, we just have to select our API. So in the last session we have created our API my fun, so I'll choose this API. Okay, and then I'll click on hit create button. So it is creating a new product for us. So if we can see, product has been created, and this product, current status of this product is not published. We'll go on developer portal and we'll verify it. But developer portal, if you can see, we are able to see this basic product. And why? Because we have logged in as an administrator account. So administrator account has a privilege. Here you can view entire products, even that product is published or not. Okay, so let's sign out this account, and now we will see if that product is visible under this account or not. So we'll go to the products, and if you can see, we are unable to see that product here now. Okay, so now we'll go here in basic product. Okay, and we will click on that, and now we'll go to the setting here, and we'll try to publish this one, and we'll see if we are able to see that or not. So we'll click on publish, click on save. So now this product has been published. We'll go to our products and we can just refresh it. If you can see, the state of this product is showing published. Now go here and click on products, but still that product is not visible here. Let's go back again on that product. We will go here, go to the settings, and now this time we will select this required subscription checkbox. Okay, there is another checkbox, require approval. I'll explain you later, but as of now I have just enabled required subscription checkbox. Click on save. It's updated. I'll go back again on products, and still it is not coming here. Then we have to go to the access control, and if you can see here, only administrator can see that product. So let's go and add the guest, select. So now in access control we have added as administrator and guest. Now let's go to the product, and you can see now this product is visible under this product. Click on that basic, and we have this API, so just select that API. Once you select that API, okay, and if you try to post that, we are getting this 401 access denied. Why? Because this API is not yet subscribed. Okay, so this error message also saying you are not subscribed to API and will get 401 access denied response. Okay, now let's see the same. Now let's see the behavior using the administrator account. So I'll go to my developer portal again, and I'll click on that. So now let's go to the products. I'll click on basic product. Now I have this API. Click on this API, try it. Okay, so now here if you can see, This time subscription key has been added automatically. So if you remember in previous session, this subscription key, this header key was not added and we had added this manually. But this time if you can see, this subscription key has been added automatically and it is available here. If I'll click on send button, we will get 200 success response. Why so? Because if you go to the product, if you click on that basic, and if you can see subscribe that subscription, so let's check that. So let's go here in APIs, let's click on that delete. So we have deleted that API. Now let's go back again using the administrator, click on basic. You can see we are unable to see that API here, right? So let's go back and add the API, my fund select. So this has been added. Now if you want to compare we want to see the subscription. So now let's go to the subscription. So if you can see, we have the subscription, and in portal let's go to the API and we'll see what subscription we are seeing here. Okay, so now this subscription is visible. You can see this is the same subscription that is coming, that is appearing here, correct? So we have different options here. You can either suspend that subscription, you can cancel it, you can delete this subscription, or you can regenerate the keys like primary key or secondary key. Suppose if your keys has been somehow it is like exposed, then you can regenerate the primary key or secondary key. Alright, so in this way we will configure the subscription key. You don't have to pass the subscription key in your request. Now let's go and see how this developer portal will look like, or the product information will look like if we have a different user. Okay, so I'll go to my APIM, I'll click on the users and let's add another user. So I'll give the name user1, email I'll put user1@gmail.com. Okay, so this is my first name, this is my last name, this is my email address, and my ID, password, and password confirmation. Okay, so hit on click on add button. So this user, it is added successfully. Now let's go to the portal and click on sign in. So it is, let's click on sign in again, just pass the username. Okay, so now you can see I logged in as a user1. I'll go to the app products, and if you can see I'm unable to see those products here. Okay, and why we are unable to see the product here? Because we have added, if you can go the product, and if you open that basic product, if you go to the access control, you can see we have only added the administrator or guest. Okay, so how we can add it? So just click on the add and select the developer and click on select. Let's go and refresh this product. Yeah, so now you can see this is available here. Click on the basic, click on the API that we have created. Now let's try it. Okay, so again we are seeing the same error. Okay, so we are again getting the same 401 access denied error. How to resolve this issue? So we'll go to the product. So there's two ways we can resolve this issue. Okay, so either the one way, here we can go on the developer portal, click on the basic, and before click on this API you can see this button subscribe. Okay, so just click on the subscribe button and then again click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you can see your subscription key and everything will be appear here. Now click on products, go to basic. Now click on my function, try it, and this time if you can see your subscription key in header, it is appearing here. Click on send and we got the 200 success response. Okay, now let's go to the our APIM and we'll go to the subscription. Okay, so if you can see here now, previously it was only one subscription key and that was owned by administrator, but now as user 1 has also subscribed, we have a 2 subscription key available. So if you click on show subscription information for both, you can see both users have a different subscription key. Okay, but both users have subscribed and that's why both entries are available here. Okay, so let's delete this subscription key from here and let's go back to the products, click on basic. You can see again we are getting this option to subscribe. So now this time we will not try to subscribe it from developer portal. We will go here on Azure portal and we will add subscription or add subscribers from here. So we'll click on add subscriber, we'll choose user 1, we'll click on select. So now see, we have added this subscriber here. Let's go back to the products in developer portal, click on basic, and you can see we are unable to see the we are unable to see the subscribe button here. Okay, now click on the API, click on try it. Now subscription key is available here and just click on send. We got the 200 success response. Okay, so these are the two ways with the help of that we can add the product, we can add the subscription. Okay, so now let's go back to the product again, and if you remember, let's go to the basic product, let's go to the setting, and if you remember I said I'll explain you this required approval later. So now let's check this box as well, requires approval, and click on save and we'll see what happened. Okay, now go to the subscription and delete this subscription from here. Okay, now go back to the products, click on the basic product, and here we are seeing the subscribe button. So just click on subscribe and click on confirm. Alright, so this time if you can see, we have subscribed, but that subscription is not yet added. If you can see, state is showing requested. Okay, subscription name requested on this time, and this is the name of that subscription requested on this time. Okay, and this is the basic product, and the state of that request is requested. Okay, this is not yet approved. So the meaning of this configuration, it required approval to, suppose if we receive the subscribe request, we will not approve it, then the user is unable to access that product. Okay, once we'll approve, then only they can access the APIs. So now let's go back to the Azure portal and we'll go to the product basic, and here now I'll go to subscriptions and I'll select the pending approval. So once I'll select that, so if you can see, there is one request that is in pending approval state and it was submitted by user 1. Okay, so now if I'll click on these 3 dots, I'll have multiple options. So activate subscription, suspend subscription, reject subscription, or cancel subscription. So suppose for time being, for this testing purpose, I'll reject this subscription. Okay, so I'll pass the comment for testing and I'll reject it. Okay, let's go here and we'll see what they are seeing. Again, he's seeing a subscribe button, so we'll hit on subscribe, we'll click on confirm, and again I'll go to my pending approval, just hit on refresh. I again got the another request, I'll just click on that and I'll approve it. Okay, so I'll just approve this one. It's now approved. So now 3 entries are available here. If you can see, one is active, another was rejected by us, another was rejected by me, and then next one is active. Now I'll go back again and I'll hit on refresh. You can see now we are able to see the primary key and secondary key. So this subscription is activated. Go back to the product, click on basic, select our API, hit the try button and hit the send. We got 200 success response. Okay, so that is the use of that required approval. So again I'll go back to settings and I'll uncheck this required approval. Yeah, so before that, let me explain you another property like subscription count limit. Okay, so before that, just click on this required approval and click on save. Okay, so let's go back here in the subscription first. Let's delete this one. Okay, so delete this subscription, delete the rejected one as well. Okay, so now go back here. We'll go to the products and here just click on the basic. So we are seeing a subscription. Okay, so this is in this requested state. Let's again go back to the product. We'll click on basic and again we are seeing this subscribe button. Again I'll click on confirm. Okay, so if you can see, we have 2 requests is available here. Again go back on product, go to the basic and subscribe. So that means multiple times we can send a request to for the subscription. Okay, so how we can avoid it? Suppose if user has already requested one time, he or she cannot request another time. Okay, so how we can do that? So here go to the setting and we have an option called subscription count limit. So suppose if I'll pass it to like 1 and if we'll save this one, now we have added this subscription. Okay, so before that, just remove this uncheck, required approval, select 1, select this one and then we will save it. Now we'll go to the subscriptions and whatever subscription we will have it, let's remove it first. Okay, so I'll just cancel this subscription, cancel subscription, and we will have this one also, cancel subscription. Okay, so we have canceled these 3 subscriptions. Let's go to the pending approval. We don't have anything. Okay, all right, let's click on refresh. We don't have anything. Okay, so now let's go here, go to the products, user 1, we have logged in as user 1. Let's go to the basic, click on subscribe, confirm. Okay, so you can see we have subscribed this one. Okay, and it got subscribed successfully. Now again go to the products, go to the basic. We will not see an option to subscribe it again. Okay, we will not see an option to subscribe it again. Correct. So now let's go back to the product and let's go to the API. Okay, so before that, just go to the products and let's refresh this one and now cancel this subscription. we have cancelled. Again go to the setting, okay, and extend it to 2, and let's save it. Go back here, go to the product basic, click on subscribe and just click on confirm. So we have one subscription available here, correct? Now let's go again to the products, click on basic. You can see again we are able to see this add subscription. Just click on add subscription, click confirm. So now we have 2 subscription added. Alright, now go to the product again, click on basic, and this time we are unable to see any subscription here. So that means we have already 2 subscription added under this product, okay, and we are unable to add a new subscription because that is the limit we have set here in configuration. So let's remove it, save it, and cancel the subscription that we have created. Okay, so in that manner we can restrict the subscription access. Okay, now we have another option here. So here under this product, this was the overview and this was the setting, okay, and then we have APIs. So if we have different APIs under that product, whatever the APIs we have to configure, we can configure it here. We can add those APIs here as well. Okay, then move to the next one is policies. So in Azure APIM policies, we will discuss in detail in later session, but here just understand whatever the policies we have it. Okay, so here if you can see, we have inbound policy, we have policies here, we have inbound, we have backend, we have outbound, and we have on-air policy. Okay, so what we'll do, we will add a call limit policy. Okay, so just click on this show snippets, click here and go to here limit request processing concurrency level. So if I'll select it, and if you can see, so before that let's discard this one. Okay, and we'll go to the products and we have a different policies. So if I'll choose a starter, if I'll go to the policies, so in a starter product we already have 2 policies here. One is a rate policy and one is quota policy. Okay, so it is limiting the rate, like how many calls we can have and the renewal period of that call, and also quota have different properties like how many calls and how many renewal periods for that quota. Let's add these 2 policies in our newly created product as well. So copy it here, discard it, we'll go to the our product that we have created, the basic one, go to the policy, and here also if you can see, we can add limit call rate, we can add it from here as well. So suppose limit call rate, we can add how many numbers of call we can have, like 5 and interval 60. Okay, and API subscription, IP address or custom counter key, and then click on save. So inbound processing, we have added this policy here, limit call rate. Now let's see here. So if you can see, we have added this limit call rate. Okay, so now let's test this policy. Okay, so I'll go to the API, my fun, and click on hit try, and I'll hit yeah. So if you can see here, after 5 hits we have received this error 429 too many requests. Okay, because we have already sent 5 requests. Let's try to hit it again we are receiving the same error, too many requests. So let's wait for 1 minute and after that again we will try. And if you want to see how many second is left, you can see it here. Try limit is exceeded, try again in 41 second. So let's see, now we have remaining 23 seconds. We try after 23 seconds. So it's completed. Let's try to hit, and we have received 200 success response. So in this manner we can restrict the number of calls, or we can limit the number of calls for the inbound processing. I'll explain you in different session regarding the policies in APIM. That's it for the today's session. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned how to configure the product, how to use that product in developer portal, how to use the subscription key. If you have any query, any suggestion, please feel free to contact me. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with others. Have a great day.